Hello. Hope you are doing well and ready for a 5-minute analytics journey. Please stay with us on this short learning session and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Great. Let me walk you through the step-by-step process of understanding ChatGPT technology. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. It is based on a deep learning architecture called the transformer model, which is specifically designed for processing sequential data such as natural language. ChatGPT was trained on a massive dataset of text to be able to generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions. The transformer model was introduced in 2017 by Vaswani et al. And has since become one of the most popular models in the field. The transformer model is based on an attention mechanism that allows the model to focus on different parts of the input sequence at different times during processing. This attention mechanism allows the model to better capture long-range dependencies in the input sequence, which can be especially important in natural language processing tasks. In ChatGPT, the transformer model is used as the underlying architecture for the generative pre-trained transformer family of models. These models are pre-trained on large amounts of text data and can be fine-tuned for a variety of downstream natural language processing tasks, such as text classification, question answering, and language generation. Okay. Let's have a look at some examples here. Here's a quick guide on how to use the ChatGPT app. So, to start a conversation with ChatGPT, simply type in your question or message in the text box provided. Once you've typed your message, hit the Enter key or click on the Send button to send your message to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then process your message and generate a response. The response will appear in the chat window. If you want to ask another question, simply type it in the text box and hit Enter or Send. ChatGPT will then generate another response. You can also use the Settings button to customize the app. You can change the language and other settings. Finally, if you want to end the conversation, you can click on the Exit button or simply close the app. Okay, now we're gonna see how this technology can help us. As you may realized, there are many potential benefits to using ChatGPT as an artificial intelligence language model. Here, I summarize just some of the benefits of using ChatGPT. At a basic level, ChatGPT can be used to automate certain tasks that previously required a human touch, freeing up time and resources for other important works. For example, It can be used to automate answering customer service questions, generate reports and summaries, generate product descriptions, or even write articles and other forms of content. ChatGPT can communicate in multiple languages, making it easier for people who speak different languages to use. Interestingly, ChatGPT can also write a computer programming script or code and debug your scripts written by any programming language like an assistant. Although ChatGPT has several benefits, there are also some limitations to consider. Let's have a look at these limitations. As we discussed, ChatGPT is an AI system and therefore lacks human empathy, which can be important in some situations. ChatGPT relies on the information provided to it and may not be able to understand the context of a situation or conversation as well as a human operator. While ChatGPT supports multiple languages, it may still struggle with certain dialects or colloquialisms. ChatGPT is best suited for simple and straightforward queries and may struggle with more complex tasks that require human intervention. ChatGPT relies on data to provide accurate responses, so if the data is outdated or inaccurate, the responses may be as well. ChatGPT may be vulnerable to cyber attacks or other security breaches, which could compromise sensitive information. The use of ChatGPT raises legal and ethical issues related to data privacy, transparency, and accountability. Okay, let's summarize what we have learned here. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI based on the GPT architecture version 3.5. As I mentioned earlier, it is designed to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs and can perform a variety of language tasks, such as language translation, summarization, question answering, and conversation generation. Compared to other language models, ChatGPT is one of the largest and most advanced language models available in AI, with over 175 billion parameters. This means that it has a much larger capacity to learn and generate complex language structures than other models. Its training data is also much larger and more diverse, allowing it to understand and generate responses for a wide range of topics. Other language models, such as GPT-3, have fewer parameters and may not be able to generate responses as complex or accurate as ChatGPT. However, smaller models can still be useful for specific tasks and have lower computational requirements, making them more accessible for smaller projects or applications. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful and versatile AI language model that can be used for a wide range of language tasks and applications. As we come to the end of this 5-minute analytics session, I hope you found this video informative. If you have any suggestions for future content, let me know in the comments. By subscribing to 5-Minute Analytics channel, you'll be the first to know when we upload new videos. So if you found this one helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button and giving it a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.